Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I want to say welcome. Hit that notification bell and make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you've been here before, I want to say welcome back. Good to have you guys here, alright? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to become successful online, right? How to become successful online and start making numbers, start putting numbers on the board. So I'm going to explain to you guys how this actually works. Well, I'm going to jump off with telling you guys a little bit about myself because some of you probably don't know. Well, I'm originally from Jamaica. I may sound like I'm from America, but I'm not from the United States of America. I'm originally from Jamaica, born and raised, and I decided that I'm going to move here. The reason why, because I met my wife in 2013 and then we got married in 2015 in Jamaica on the beach, so it was a beautiful wedding. And then I decided, all right, after traveling, we need a place to stay. So she said, hey, why not come up to the U.S.? I said, all right, why not? So while I come here, I was going through the immigration process. Now, the immigration process, if you've been through immigration before, my friend, you know, ooh, it's not easy. It's difficult, all right? It takes a lot out of you. All right, so I had to spend like close to $6,000. My wife was the only one working at the time, and she was making 125 bucks. And I said, you know what? I need to get this going because I need to bring some extra income coming in because I couldn't work. So right after that, boom, I decided that I'm gonna search for some, just like you probably stumble up on this video or any of my videos, right? You probably wonder like, oh my goodness, like, what am I going to do? I'm in a position right now that I have to change. That's the position that I was. I was looking for a way out, but my situation was bad. I'm not saying your situation is not worse than mine, but at the time, we had no money coming in, all right? So I said, you know what? Let me just go online. I'm actually shooting this video outside, by the way. So you see the grill in the back? That's how I do it. I just thought about shooting this video, but let's get things cracking. So I decided to, find something to do online. I really need a way how to make money. So I decided to start search online, how to make money, all this and all that. So I stumbled upon a great program that actually, put myself and my wife and my newborn baby in a position. And let me just tell you, to be successful online, and I'm going to tell you guys right now, and some of you will probably not want to hear this, but it takes a lot of work. It's not easy. So if some of you guys think that all these top gurus and all these people on YouTube and all these people on Facebook that are driving these nice Ferraris and these Lamborghinis and nice house and Mark Zuckerberg and all Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos and you name it, all these people, it took them a long time to get them to where they want to be. I'm not where I want to be right now. I'm not even close to where I want to be. But I'm way better than I was when I just started because we couldn't afford a lot of things. But thanks to the internet, it puts me in a better position for myself and my family. So I'm letting you guys know that online, to be successful online and to be really good online, it's not easy. To be successful online, you gotta have to put in a lot of work, a lot of hours. You gotta be coachable. You gotta be willing to put in the grind. Some of you guys out here give up the first time of failure. And in order to get to success, you cannot, and I repeat, you cannot give up the first sign of failure. Most of you guys can't, you probably run an ad, you put an ad up, you try ClickBank, you try Amazon, you try Shopify, you try affiliate marketing, you try to write a lot of blogs, and the first couple months you don't see any traction. What do? I'm done. That's where the magic happens. Right as soon as you're gonna give up. You just gave up on your dreams the minute you stop. I'm not saying that you cannot change different careers and change different paths. Absolutely. But if your goal is to become successful online, if your goal is to change a life situation, your current situation, if you're looking for a life-changing experience, if you're tired of getting up maybe 4 or 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock or whatever time. If you're tired of working night shift, my friend, you have to put in the work. You have to set realistic goals, yearly goals, daily goals, monthly goals, whatever goal it is. You guys have to set it. You can't just wake up and say, you know what, I want to be successful online. You know, I'm going to do whatever it takes. Yes, you're going to do whatever it takes to be successful. But some of you guys are all talking, but you're not putting in the work. You're not. Most of you guys, before you start working on your dreams, you're going through your Facebook news feed and you got distracted. You got sidetracked. You got to plan. You got to execute. You got to know exactly what you want to do. If you don't know where you're going, how are you going to get there? Some of you just wake up just to wake up. Oh man, I want to be successful. I really want to be successful online, but I just don't know how to do it. Come on. It's not easy. It's not easy whether you want to do anything online. So all these people that you see on YouTube are like, yeah, you know, that's all you got to do is create ads and do all that kind of stuff. Yes, creating ads, you got to do it. But there's going to be some times when you set up an ad that it's not even going to work. By the way, your first ad that you ever going to create online is going to suck. Believe it or not, it's just going to suck. It's going to suck. To be successful, you're going to have to go through a lot of different challenges, a lot of different battles, heartaches, pain. How to become really successful? You got to have to put the work in. You got to be willing to grind, my friend. Be dedicated. Be motivated. You got to keep crushing it. So if you guys are out there and looking to be successful, I'm just letting you know, it's not going to be easy. Some of you guys don't want to hear this. And you're going to fail a couple times. You're going to fail. You're going to fail. But that's where success is. Behind all those failures. You just got to keep pushing. Sometimes you just got to, you know, there's obstacles in the way. You just got to either go under it, go over it, or kick it down. Alright? So in order to be successful, you got to keep working on it. Keep doing it. It's not going to be easy. To hit that income goal, it's not going to be easy. Appreciate you guys. Keep rocking. If you guys want to know exactly what I'm working on, just click on down the link down below. I do a lot of online business. Check out my other videos on my channel. And, you know, if you see something you like, just reach out to me. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or wherever, alright? Peace. Talk to you guys.